Hello traders, the title of the video is how to avoid gambling with the oversold RSI indicator like a pro. Have you been gambling with the oversold RSI? Do you know how to trade the oversold RSI indicator more precisely? Alright, so to stop the gambling, I will share with you today how you can avoid, the gambling with the oversold RSI indicator like a pro. Alright, for traders that have been following us, they know that whenever we use the word like a pro, we are talking about using a multiple time frame trading method or a top-down trading method or a different time frame trading method. I have one example here when the RSI is well oversold. You see, I'm using the humble RSI period 14, the default setting RSI 14. You can see that here it touches the $12.48 level. Call it 12. It touches the 12 level. So it's below 13 level. So it's well oversold. The normal oversold zone for the RSI is 30. So it's well oversold even when below the level of 30, the level of 13. So the dark line, that's the normal oversold zone in the zone of 30. Now you went down to touch the level of 12. So the RSI period 14 is well oversold. For new traders, the RSI stands for the Relative Strength Index Indicator. It's a momentum oscillator that allows traders to pinpoint bullish stock and bearish stock. When the RSI is above 50, it's indicating to us that there is more demand to buy the stock. Therefore, that stock we can put it on our bullish watch list. And when the RSI is below 50, it's indicating to us that there is more demand to sell the stock. Therefore, we can put that stock on our bearish watch list. But there are more to that. But today, what we are about to discuss is about avoiding the gambling of the oversold RSI indicator like a pro, whether one is day trading, swing trading, or position trading. I have seen it all the time where even experienced traders, profitable traders that are making a lot of money for their bank, do not know how to trade the oversold RSI. So this example here, I want to place a vertical line there to highlight what's going on here. See, I put a vertical line there and also I put it on the chart, and then we see how the price dropped fast to a support level before bouncing up at the point where the RSI was retesting the level of 12. So you can see that when the RSI was touching the level of 12 for the first time, well oversold, there were buyers and the price went up for 3 months. So those who traded here make a correct decision because it was well oversold. But some of those traders were very lucky because after this candlestick bar is closed, this one here, it got a tail which is indicating a bit of support level, was retesting, the media line of this red channel here. You see I was projecting my channel using market geometry. And after that, the following candlestick bar, as soon as it opened, it just went up. So a lot of technical traders that were gambling with the oversold RSI bought it here were a bit lucky because as soon as this candlestick bar opened here, it just went up. It didn't change direction. Sometimes you can get away with it, which means though you were gambling, which you shouldn't at all in the financial market, sometimes people get away with it because the price, there was no move down again. It just went up. Everybody's rewarded. Everybody came out. But to avoid gambling with the oversold RSI, there's a way around it, which we talk about, is using different time frame trading method. So the first thing that we do, even when the RSI is oversold, is pointing to us a support level. Which support level? Those lines here, you see, it came down from the support here. So when the RSI was oversold here, well below 30, is pointing to that support level right there. That support level there. Okay. Now we draw that line And we say priority to bullish signal above and priority to bearish signal below, because the reason is if it goes below it, we will sell it. If it goes below and find a resistance, we will sell, though the RSI is oversold. But a lot of traders that are gambling in the financial market with the oversold RSI, so something that we say to you, if the RSI 14 on a monthly chart, okay, touches the level 12, buy. Well, if you are managing that risk and it's working for you, well, why not? Well, but there's a better way, which is a different time frame trading method. So here, so this will be a trading setup. RSI oversold, price is at a key support level. We see a bit of tail for the previous candlestick bar on the edge of the median line of that red channel. We say, all right, we give it a chance. Now we will go to the daily chart, wait for the signal for swing trading purposes, and then we enter the trade on the hourly time frame. So you say, George, I'm a day trader. If you're a day trader, you say, all right, it happened like this on the monthly chart, all right. If the signal is fired on a daily chart, you use that signal as a trading setup. So you find your trading setup as a day trader on a daily chart, then you look for your signal on the hourly time frame, and then you will enter the trade on a 10-minute time frame. If you don't like that, as the price closed, this candlestick bar is closed on the monthly chart. You have the line there. You can go directly to your 4-hour time frame. You say, George, I don't want to see the daily chart. I don't want to see the daily chart. Say, go to your 4-hour time frame. If there is a bullish chart pattern there or a bullish trading setup in the vicinity of that line, all right, but the origin of your 4-hour trading setup is on a monthly chart, which means the RSI of 14 is touching the level 12, price at a support level. You don't want the monthly chart, you don't want a daily chart. You go to the 4-hour time frame, you see an inverted head and shoulder chart pattern, a bullish chart pattern, or a reversal pattern forming at the vicinity of this key level. You may use that as your day trading setup, but your signal will be on a 15-minute time frame, and your entry will be either on a 3-minute or 5-minute time frame. So, you see, the RSI is oversold, is just a trading setup, okay? Now, we use different time frame trading method to control it. Here, those were using the RSI oversold for gambling purposes, just buying because RSI is oversold, trading the RSI instead of the price. We're lucky here because the price was not volatile, didn't come down anymore, it just went up. But look carefully, I have not finished here because it's very, very important video, and I recommend to traders to watch the full length for this tutorial. This is what I saw, I say we were telling traders using, multiple authentication, which means multiple validation. RSI is oversold, pointed towards a support level, or price at a support level. Now, we can look for bullish chart pattern. We can wait for the common sentinel to be coupled. Those are other authentication that we can use to validate whether how should I put it, to certify whether we have a good reason to be bullish or bearish, instead of gambling and say it's going to go up. Fingers crossed, arm crossed, leg crossed, hair crossed, everything will work well. No, don't gamble. But look carefully. Let's pay attention now to the volume bar. All right. So because we were talking about volume bar at 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel, I'm starting a series of videos. So subscribe to 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel today. There is a series of videos that we are starting today. Mastering trading volume like a pro, part 1 to 5. All right. Check it out. There will be a playlist for that. So now we have a surge in trading volume at the point where the RSI period 14 was touching that level of 12. All right. You see here. How many shares? More than 160, more than 150 million shares has been transacted. Again here, another surge in the same zone. So here again, it's the same support level people are buying because the RSI is oversold. But a lot of them were kicked out of the trade. As you can see, price went up. Now you see it went down from a new lower low. It's just bouncing, coming down like this. So in this group, there are a lot of gamblers that are playing with the RSI. In fact, there is another group of RSI traders that are thinking that, can't you see, George, we have a bullish divergence. RSI is rising and the price is going down. You see, George? The price going down in a declining channel, all right? But the RSI is rising, it's RSI divergence. And I will say to that person, you are not a subscriber of dayprotrader.com. Otherwise, you won't be gambling like this with the RSI divergence or the RSI oversold. You would have seen the video, you would have watched the video that we titled RSI Divergence Trading Mistakes. Alright, so we talk about it. When the RSI is exhibiting a bullish divergence like this, sometimes you see a lot of people will start buying it because they are buying the RSI divergence instead of the price. Alright, so sometimes what we see, the RSI will show in divergence first before it will come back again down to form to become more oversold before the price will change direction. We talk about, check that video about RSI divergence trading mistake. It's about a series of video at dayprotrader.com or YouTube search RSI divergence trading mistake or RSI trading mistake by dayprotrader.com, and you may watch that video because I don't want this video to be too long. I think it's already long, 10 minutes so far. So here we have RSI divergence. People are gambling, just buying, because RSI is showing a divergence, exhibiting a bullish divergence. RSI is also oversold, people are gambling. The best approach is to use a top-down trading method, draw a line. So here you drop it down to the red line, implement a top-down trading method, take it to the next resistance level, where we see there's a violation of market pattern, the price is in a declining channel. See here, it's declining channel. And I'm talking about the volume spike. Haven't finished. The volume spike was here. We see a surge in the volume. So the first surge is happening during this candlestick bar here. These were sellers because the price went down. Now the price is still in a declining channel, and we are seeing more. See, more volume spike, another one here. All right. Now, if you want to buy because the RSI is oversold, if you want to buy because the RSI is exhibiting a bullish divergence, if you want to buy, okay, because we have a volume spike, what do you look for? You wait for the price to break that. It can be very patient. Okay, wait for it to break that pink channel, to come back to retest either the median line of that pink channel, all right, or to retest the top of that pink channel. Or, very simple, wait for the price to form the first higher low. There is a divergence, the price is oversold, all right, but the price is in a declining channel. So if it's going to be truly bullish, all right, there will be, okay, a higher low before we can ascertain that the bullish momentum is about to begin. And then if we see the higher low like this on the monthly chart, we will not just buy. We use a top-down trading method to trade it. What is happening here is a speculative trading activity, So you need to play with the market pattern gently, using a top-down trading method. But what have I said to trader before? All right? The financial instrument, no financial instrument goes up or down without no reason. Right? The price is always headed to a specific level. So you see it's oversold. Is he at a target level? That's the question. So we can use the price target to improve our oversold RSI trading. All right? So apart from the top-down trading method and the volume spike, and using multiple authentication, paying attention to the price instead of trading the RSI itself, instead of gambling with oversold RSI, we can use the profit target because it's a market stable data that no financial instrument goes up or down for no reason. It's always headed to a specific target level. So is there a target here? Yes, there is a target. There is a target, and you can see that the price form a kind of a gigantic, okay, a head and shoulder chart pattern. This is the bigger head here, and this is the left hand side shoulder here. And you may say, George, where is the right hand side shoulder? And I'll say it's a tiny one or a messy one along here. So the target is that people will measure the height or the depth of this head here, and they will project it down. And if we use the ultimate target, is we are somewhere on the uncharted territory below there. We can't reach it. So therefore, because we can see the ultimate bearish, greedy, stubborn bearish target zone, we will use instead the midpoint target, which means the ultimate target. We divide it into two and we project it down. Okay, and we have a midpoint target somewhere near this low here. Okay, you see this low here, the midpoint target is bringing us here in the zone of $17.70. There's a target there. So you can see that though there is a surge in trade volume, the price is not displaying a new higher low so far. It's stuck here. So if you break above the level of $33.93 and find a resistance, okay, it will continue to go to the ultimate target level, to the midpoint target level, because the ultimate target is far, far, far down, to the midpoint target, okay, in the zone of $17.70. That's a beautiful number, $17.70. Right. Am I speaking with my beautiful American accent? $17.70. Now, this to make you laugh a bit, my friend. So that $17.70 is bringing us near this equilibrium price level. So the price is heading to this equilibrium price level. Okay, $17.70. If you break below $33.93, game on. We take it gently. Be aware of the channel that I've already drawn my chart. You see, I draw the channel, projectional channel, market geometry. If you come out of the blue, this one here, the red and the blue one here, okay, we'll project it one more time. But watch the level of $17.70. We are now on the edge of the blue channel here, this one. Okay. Oh, is the red? The red and the blue, yes, that's it. All right. So pay attention to those trend lines that I draw. We are now on the edge, and if you break below $33.93, all right, or if you find a resistance near the median line of the pink channel, you see, it's heading there. Though the RSI is oversold, and also we see a bullish divergence, the price is not yet displaying high lows and high highs. All right. So this is about how to avoid gambling with the oversold RSI indicator like a pro. Use different time frame trading method. The oversold RSI is pointed to as a support level. Highlight that support level. Give priority to bullish signal above. Give priority to bearish signal below. All right. If there is a trading setup, the RSI oversold is just a trading setup. Now use a different time frame trading method to trade it, and also use a multiple authentication. Pay attention to the volume bar, all right. Pay attention to the price action, all right. Use other verification to ascertain whether you have a good reason to buy or sell the financial instrument. Do not just buy just because the RSI is oversold. Don't just buy because there is a bullish divergence. That will be just a gambling. There's a better way to use the oversold RSI like a pro, which means we identify a valid trading setup, then we implement a different time frame trading method to trade it. If the signal fails, we are out. Another way to control it is to pay attention to the current market pattern. So the RSI was oversold here. There was this bounce out. Pay attention to the candlestick bar. You see here, they bring it back down. Now it's confined in a declining channel. The pink declining channel. So people are selling at the top here. If one is buying near the low here, it's a risky trade because it's a declining channel still here. Conservative traders that want to buy will acknowledge the oversold RSI and also acknowledge the divergence, but they will wait until the price confirm the oversold or the bullish divergence. That confirmation will be a higher low or a bullish chart pattern or a reversal pattern after the oversold or the bullish divergence. I hope I have covered everything about how to avoid gambling with the oversold RSI indicator like a pro. Traders spend most of their time resetting their RSI. The RSI that we are using here is the RSI period 14. Today we use 20, 30, everything. I'm not saying that there is no value in changing the setting in some cases. All right, there are value to it, but sometimes, because traders do not know how to trade the RSI, they will spend most of their time, okay, tweaking, okay, their technical indicator. So they may say, oh, 30 oversold, that's not the best one. 20 is better. So other traders may say RSI period 2, when it reach 10, that's where you have to buy. But all this exercise is just about trading the technical indicator instead of trading the price itself. It's a type of gambling. And you'll be amazed. Even there are professionals doing that. Are they doing it successfully? If they are, then well, so well, carry on. If it's working, carry on with it. All right. So this will conclude our discussion today about how to avoid gambling with the oversold RSI indicator, relative strength index indicator, like Pro. The financial instrument that we were analyzing today is Vicom Incorporated, Class B, EPIC VIAB, Victor India Alpha Bravo. If you have any question or suggestion, put in the comment section, and of course I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. If you find the video truly useful, let us know by giving us the thumbs up. If you find it so disgusting, let us know by giving us the thumbs down. But if you think that it's an essential tutorial, feel free to share with your friend on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. I need to remind you that this is our number 400 video, so congratulations to all traders. I would like to take this opportunity to thank all traders that have subscribed to our Day Pro Traders channel. All right, thank you very much for your participation, for your interaction, for supporting us, for watching our video, for putting comment, for rating our video. This is the 400 video. Can you believe it? All right, for this channel, we have done a good job together. Without the subscriber, what can we do? So thank you so much. So we will pause the video, the channel for a few days after to celebrate our 400 video, and we'll come back again, recording more video. So if there are more topic you want us to talk about, put in the comment section. I always read the comment, and in due course I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. One more time, thank you very much for subscribing to our channel, for watching our video, for interacting with us on YouTube. I cannot express my gratitude to all traders. Thank you so much. Thank you 100 times. Thank you million times. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon. We are the TSTW24 traders, talking about how to avoid gambling with the oversold RSI indicator like Pro. Speak to you soon.